Hello, my dear students. Welcome to this new series. In this series, we are going to look at some visual proofs. So, what are visual proofs? So, basically, whenever we have in mathematics so many theorems which we generally don't like proving, so we can always take help of geometry and we can look at what we are talking about. So this series is about that thing only, and we are going to see at some of the strange looking mathematical equations or theorems or inequalities, and we will try to prove them using visual mathematics. So, or we can say that we will seek the help of geometry to prove them. So in this video, first video, we are going to prove why the sum of the series, this series here, why its sum is 1, right? So I am saying that you have this series summation n from 1 to infinity 1 by 2 raised to power n. So what is this series? If I put n is equal to 1, I am going to get 2 raised to power 1, and then I am going to put n is equal to 2, so that will be 1 by 2 square, and then n is equal to 3, and then n is equal to 4, and so on till infinity. Right, now I have this infinite numbers, and some of us, we don't know how to add infinite numbers. So we can say that in this case, this is a geometric series. This is a geometric series. So I can use the formula and add it, right? But say I don't like it, I don't want to use formulas, then I would like to see that what exactly geometrically what this thing is representing and why the sum is equal to 1, right? For you, for those of for those of you who know that how we find the sum of the geometric series, that will be the first term divided by 1 minus the common ratio, so that is going to be half over half, that is 1, right? So we agree that the formula will give us the sum is equal to 1, but we would like to see geometrically what is happening. Okay, so let us see that. So for that, you see, here I have a rectangle. Its sides are 1 and half, right? So now the sides are 1 and half. So what will be the area? Area will be 1 times 1 by 2, that will be equal to 1 by 2. Now, to this rectangle, I am adding another rectangle. Indeed, I am adding a square. I just added a green square. So, its sides are half and half. So, if the sides are half and half, what will be the area? Area will be 1 by 2 square, which is 1 by 4. Right. Now, to this thing, I will add another rectangle. I just added a pink rectangle here. The sides are 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So what will be the area? Area will be 1 by 8. Right. Now you must have guessed what I am doing. So next time I'll add another square whose sides are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So area will be 1 by 16. Now what I am going to do next, I am going to add a rectangle here. Okay, so I am going to add this blue rectangle. The sides will be 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. So that will be, area will be 1 by 32. You see what is happening. Here you have 1 by 2. Then you have area 1 by 2 square. Then you have area 1 by 2 cube. Then you have area 1 by 2 raised to power 4. Then you have area 1 by 2 raised to power 5. And then you can further add a square. Its area will be 1 by 2 raised to power 6. Now you can keep on doing this thing and you will make smaller and smaller rectangles, but you will never come out of this whole square. So the idea is we will keep on adding. For example, here we'll add another rectangle, then you add another square, then you add another rectangle, then you add another square, then you add another rectangle, then you add another square. So you can keep doing this thing infinitely many times. So what will happen? Ultimately, you will have a situation like this. So we have 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 raised to power 4, 1 by 2 raised to power 5, 1 by 2 raised to power 6, and so on. And the original side was 1 and this is also 1. So we are with these terms 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube and so on. What we are doing? We are filling this whole square, and the area of the square is 1 into 1, that is 1. So you see, you just saw that this area half plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 raised to power 4. This will make whole of the square and the area will be equal to 1. So here we just proved that sum of the series is 1. Now you see, this proof is like you will never forget it in your life because you have seen this proof. But if you try to remember formulas, sometimes we forget them. So it's always good if we can see what we are doing with, right? Okay, thank you everybody. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye.